Hi everyone, today we are going to explain demi-pronoun. But before I explain demi-pronoun, if you are new to my channel, please do not forget like and subscription to my channel. Well, let's move and explain demi-pronoun. But before I explain it, let me just define it, and after that I'll give you examples so then you will understand it. So the definition is a demi-pronoun does not refer to a specific noun or pronoun in a sentence, but rather serves as a grammatical function. What does it mean by this definition? Simply, it means that a demi-pronoun is that kind of pronoun which does not refer to a noun in a sentence as a normal pronoun refers to a noun mentioned before in a sentence. Rather, it just fills the subject position. For example, just look at these examples so then you will understand it. It is raining. Here in this example, it is a demi-pronoun, but why it is a demi-pronoun? Because it does not have any antecedent, or simply you can say it does not refer to any noun in a sentence as a normal pronouns refer to a nouns in a sentence. But this one does not refer to any noun, but it just fills the place of a subject. So that is why it is a demi-pronoun. You need to remember that a demi-pronoun does not have antecedent in a sentence. As you know, normal pronouns have antecedent. For example, John is my teacher. He teaches me English. In this example, he is a normal pronoun because it has antecedent, and that is John. Because here he refers to the subject John, but in the above example, the pronoun it does not refer to a noun. Look at another example. There are my books. Here in this example, the demi-pronoun is there. But why it is a demi-pronoun? The answer is it does not have antecedent, and it does not refer to any noun earlier mentioned in a sentence. But it just fills the place of a subject. So that is why it is a demi-pronoun. If you look at this example that John is my teacher, he teaches me English. Here he has antecedent, that is John, but it does not have any antecedent. So that is why it is a demi-pronoun. There are so many examples like this, like there are many cars in the house. Here in this example, the demi-pronoun is the word there. But why it is a demi-pronoun? Because it does not have any antecedent or referent in this sentence, but it just fills the place of a subject. There are so many examples of pronouns like this that it is not a problem. Here again the word it is a demi-pronoun because it does not refer to a noun mentioned earlier, or it does not have antecedent, so therefore it is a demi-pronoun. Well guys, if you have enjoyed this lecture, please do not forget to like and subscription to my channel.